Hey guys, it's Kem. My name's Kem. In case you're curious, thank you for joining me for another video. And if you're new, then welcome. Today I'm in my Christmas pajamas. I just left a Friendsmas party, so I'm giving very festive. It's also Christmas Eve when you're watching this, so Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays to all of my friends on YouTube. I truly appreciate you guys. I'm so thankful for everybody that clicks on my videos, hits subscribe, comments, anything. I appreciate you guys so much. But I feel like it is long overdue for me to give y'all a favorites video. So I have a favorites video for the products of 2024, and I think there's probably a little mixture of some that I tried in 2023, but I didn't do a favorites video last year, so here we are. I had it organized, okay, right? But it's just gonna be a little chaotic. So what I'm going to do first is tell y'all the product that will not be featured first, because I don't have that container anymore, I don't think. So it is the Camille Rose Algae Renew Deep Conditioner. Y'all, I'm getting super strict with what my favorite deep conditioners are now. And that one is top 2. I only have 2 on this list right now, I think. I think it's just 2. Y'all, the moisture, my hair felt so good. I did a review on it last Curlymas, I believe, and I love it. That is a product that I wanted to repurchase. I don't know why I didn't buy it. Camille Rose had a $10 sale for Black Friday. I don't know why I didn't pick it up. I told you I was trying to be frugal. I was trying not to get too many products. I'm trying to get them out and not get more in without being necessary. So that is a top contender of deep conditioners, like ever. That's a serious contender. But since I started telling you guys about that deep conditioner, since I didn't have it, I'm just gonna tell you about my other deep conditioner. And if y'all have been watching this year, then you should already know what it is. And it is Elle's Holistic Beauty Bar Chebe Powder and Aloe Vera Deep Conditioner for Mega Moisture. Guys, this is a 16-ounce product that I opened this year. I opened this product this year. It is empty. I have tons and tons and tons of product on my shelf, tons of deep conditioners. I got through 16 ounces of one in a single year. And that don't tell you how good this is. This has the consistency of like what a great pre-poo would be, except for when you rinse it out, your hair is so soft and so moisturized. Like, this don't say mega moisture for nothing, okay? This is a moisturizing deep conditioner. Do not get it confused. This is what you need after one of them stripping shampoos, the clarifying ones. That's what you need. This right here. This gonna come back and get it together. Same with the Algae Renew. It's gonna come and get everything back together. Like, you don't have to worry about a thing after you rinse it out. It doesn't matter how long you leave it in. I leave this in for the length of my shower, so, and that's it. Like, I don't ever put heat. I've never put heat on it, or the Algae Renew one, I don't think. So I need something that's gonna work whether it's under heat or not. And these are perfect deep conditioners, 10 out of 10s. So next I'm gonna just kind of be reaching and talking. So along with Elle's Holistic Beauty Bar, I have their Banana Pre-poo. Once again, this is a 10 out of 10. This does exactly what you want a pre-poo to do. It detangles, it softens, and it moisturizes. It preps your hair for any shampoo that you're about to put in it. Any shampoo. This gets it together. Next, I have the RX Pre-Cleanse Micro Oil. I love how this stuff made my hair feel just on its own. Like, my hair, how do I put an oil in, detangle with an oil, rinse it out, and my hair feels super, super soft? Huh? Talking about prepping for a shampoo. This gonna do it. I also like to use this in conjunction with other pre-poos. Like, if one is running out, I like to use this. It'll like make it spread a little bit more. I love this. Next, I have the Rosiana Naturals Hibiscus Detangle and Curl Spray. It detangles, hydrates, refreshes, and defines. You guys, Rosiana Naturals is what I pick up. Like if I'm thinking moisture and that's what's on my mind, I'm picking that up. Their whole collection is full of moisture. This is a spray leave-in, and I feel like I can spray that. Well, this is a curl spray, so I feel like I could spray this on my hair and then use a styler, and my hair will be perfectly fine and moisturized throughout the week. Like I also use this to refresh and re-moisturize my mini twist. Works perfectly, works like a charm. I love this stuff and it smells good. Next, I have the Pink Root Hair Products Leave-In Conditioner. If y'all have seen my video from Curlymas, you should have known this was gonna be on here. This is the perfect leave-in. The only thing it doesn't do is help start defining my hair, but I don't need that when I have a good styling product, you feel me? This is day, I don't even know, of the braid out that I did using my Pink Root products over Curlymas. And one thing is, my hair is not dry, okay? It may have lost some definition. It may have lost all the definition, honestly, but it is not dry. Next, these two products should really be of no surprise, but they are Coco Bella Naturals Luxe Aloe and Bamboo Styling Foam and Defining Gel with Quinoa and Aloe. Let's talk about a wash and go combo, okay? Let's talk about it. This right here, dynamic duo. It makes no sense. It makes no sense. When my hair can be that defined and that moisturized at the same time, it's perfect. That is a perfect wash and go. And I don't even mind when I have to refresh it. I just use the mousse. The mousse redefines my hair perfectly and it keeps it moisturized. There is no lack of moisture in this wash and go when these two products are in the conversation, ever. Next is a product that I haven't even shown y'all yet, but I really want to. I'm just kind of waiting. I'm working with the brand, so I don't want to do too much yet. But this is the K. Renee Hair Care Rose Velvet Creme de la Creme Hair Cleansing Mask. And this is actually going to cleanse your hair a little bit. Like this, this would be like my first cleanse, and then I can use like a real like light shampoo after using this just to make sure. But I really don't think I need to after. I feel like I can go straight in with a deep conditioner. Honestly, when I rinse my hair out with this, it feels soft. It's like, do I need a deep conditioner? It almost gives kind of like the butter shampoos from Soultanicals, the brown one. I don't remember what it's called. I haven't had it in years, but like that's what it kind of gives. Like I could deep condition if I wanted to, but do I have to? That's what this gives, and I can't wait to bring it to you. The only difference is like this doesn't really sud up it from what I remember. But I love K. Renee Hair Care products, okay? Next, I have the RX Nutrient Cleanse Complex. This is the perfect shampoo. Y'all, I try a lot of products throughout the year, so when I come to you guys and show you these, just know they've been tested, approved, and trusted, okay? Or whatever Burna Boy said. This shampoo is so good. I've used it so many times. It's so much left in here, y'all. It does not take a lot of product to get your hair completely saturated in it. It's so good. It cleans my hair great. It leaves my hair still soft and moisturized and manageable. And like, it doesn't really tangle my hair up. Like I never have a problem. I feel like I can wash my hair with this 2-3 times and it'll still feel just as good. Since I just brought up RX, we have their treatment leave-in conditioner. Y'all, you see this is halfway done? I be pumping this, okay? I put it in my hair. I put it in my boyfriend's hair. I feel like this right here, along with that Pink Root leave-in, these are the perfect leave-in conditioners. They are both easy to mix with other products. They both have that base level of moisture that like if you knew that it had hold, you could definitely get away with maybe using like the leave-in and then like an oil on top, and that's it for the week. Like that's the kind of moisture that these two are bringing. Perfect. And I think this one actually does give me a little definition. So does this inch out the Pink Root one a little bit? It might, but I love them both. I do have K. Renee, RX, and Pink Root coupon codes down below. So make sure you check them out, okay? Next, I have Pattern's Curl Mousse. I'm trying to think. I know for a fact that I use this on blown out hair. I think once and then I restyled my hair with it. I cannot remember if I used this on my wet hair, but I used it more than once, and I can tell y'all that my hair was super defined, super moisturized, shiny. Oh my gosh, my hair looked so good. It looked so good. It almost looked like I styled on my wet hair. And that's saying a lot. Like, cause when your hair is like blown out, it tends to be more fluffy, more voluminous. But this had my hair defined for days. Days. Oh my gosh. Gotta pick up its like #1 contender, and that is the Bask and Bloom Hydrating Vitamin Curl Mousse. Now this one definitely helped my hair with definition. I use this on blown out hair too, so I'm comparing it to the pattern one. I definitely use this on blown out hair as well. Did not use it on my wet hair yet, but this one gives my hair a more voluminous look. It's still like my hair does revert back a little bit with both these products because the moisture, honestly, it's the moisture and the products are both kind of liquidy. So, and my hair comes out shiny, defined. This one, I would say, I feel like it's a little bit more voluminous than the pattern one, but they're both amazing. And my hair may not last long because when I use stretched hair, my hair just doesn't seem to last as long, but it does keep that moisture until I'm ready to wash my hair again. Next is the Way, I think that's how you pronounce it, their detox shampoo. Y'all, I use this shampoo 3 times in one wash day, I believe. I think so. So I like did my initial wash, and I washed it, then I washed it again, I believe. Then I used a deep conditioner that had too many particles in it, and like I was overwhelmed, so I literally shampooed my hair again with this. And then deep conditioner was something different. But throughout that whole thing, my hair wasn't straw-like at all. I used this 2 to 3 times in one wash day, and my hair still felt great. So that is saying a lot for a shampoo. My hair was definitely clean still, but it was not stripped, it was not dry, it was just clean. And what else could I ask for? Next, I have a product that I literally got from Influencer, and I really was not expecting to care for it. I just thought it was, okay. But it's the Dove Crown Collection Scalp Care Prebiotic Serum. I love to use this on my scalp when I have mini twists. This takes all that itch and irritation away. It also, once it hits my actual strands, moisturizes my hair, and I think that is crazy. And obviously, I'm surprised this hasn't made it to a video yet, but I didn't make one last year. This is my second bottle of this stuff, y'all. Second bottle, okay? And I have not shown y'all this in a favorites video, which is crazy to me. It's obviously the Nature's Little Secret Lemon and Rosemary Clarifying Shampoo. This is one of those shampoos that I think I always want to have in my stash, because it's going to clean your hair. It gets that thing cleansed, okay? Not stripped. Very, very clean. I feel like it's on the brink of like too cleansing, where it kind of would teeter, but it doesn't do that. So it's perfect. The lather is amazing. It's a nice little cooling sensation on my scalp. I don't know if that's because there's rosemary in it. I don't know. But this right here, this is the perfect shampoo to use after you did a wash and go. You kept adding gel throughout the week. You kept adding mousse throughout the week. You kept moisturizing throughout the week. So there is tons and tons of product in your hair, and you need it all gone on one go. This gonna do it every time for you. And last but not least, I once again am sorry that this product never made it to the channel, but it is the Donna's Recipe by Tabitha Brown Sweet Potato Pie Extra Creamy Hair Cream. I use this for my mini twists, and this kept my hair moisturized throughout the entire week, or the entire duration of the mini twists. Like, I still refresh them just to make them look a little bit more put together, but like the moisture was always there. The moisture never left with this product. But that is all I have for my favorites of, last year into mostly 2024. Thank you and it's the end of Curlymas. Oh my gosh. This this is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you tuned in for the other parts of Curlymas. If not, you can go check them out. They're my last 9 uploads from before this one. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a cousin to tell a cousin. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. The links are in the description box. You can also check my description box for my coupon codes. I had a couple of products that you could get for the low using my codes for products. And I highly recommend. Okay, treat yourself. You got other people things for Christmas, get yourself something for Christmas as well. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.